and welcome to my new guitar nerdery video. Assuming that you lead guitar players already know shapes for the regular minor pentatonic, I'm gonna show you how you can use it to play the Lydian mode. The Lydian scale or the Lydian mode is the fourth in the Ionian system, and its core note, besides the major seventh and the major third, is the augmented fourth. This note makes the difference to the regular major scale, to the Ionian scale. You have to integrate that core note, that augmented fourth, into your playing. Otherwise you wouldn't play Lydian. And now I'm gonna show you how you can achieve that by using just that easy and commonly known 2 notes per string pattern for the A minor pentatonic. I guess most of you already know that you can play the major pentatonic with it. If I play it like this here, with the A as the first note, then it's the A minor pentatonic. If I move it 3 frets down and make the second note the root A, then it's A major. Our first case of using just one shape to play 2 different scales. You can actually play modes with that shape. Let's say we want to play a Lydian mode. What you do is you locate your A on the E string, on the low E string here, and imagine that minor pentatonic shape. To let it be Lydian, just move it down 1 fret. Now you play the A flat minor pentatonic shape, but when the root still is A, then this gives you the sound of the Lydian mode. Let's just analyze the notes. A is the root. Then the A flat or the G sharp is the major 7. Our second note in that shape is the major second. The third note, the major third. And here, the fourth note, to A, it is the augmented fourth. Here we have our Lydian note. The last note of our shape, before the notes start repeating in the next octave, is the major 6. What we miss here, compared to the complete Lydian scale, is the perfect fifth and the root. That's actually very special, very cool. If we're using that shape to play in the Lydian context, we never hit the root. It's just like beating around the bush. If there's, for example, a bass that's already playing the root, you do not have to play it because it's already there. The perfect fifth you are missing is a very neutral sounding interval. It doesn't add something to the Lydian sound, so you can leave it also. Using the pentatonic shape, you get the full Lydian sound, all ingredients you need. Doesn't matter what shape you normally use to play the minor pentatonic. Just use your shape and move it 1 fret down. Finally, I'd like to recommend one shape. Focus the octaves of the root and use them as location points for small 2-string patterns. That's just a 2-string pattern for the A minor pentatonic. You can move it across the octaves. And using this shape to play Lydian is actually very cool. Why I find this shape very suitable to play Lydian is when I have my 5-note shape on 2 strings, the last note is the augmented 4th. Everything is leading towards that note when it comes to the fingering. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm looking very forward to see you next time.